Hi friends, welcome to Garden Storytime. Today's story is When I Am Old With You by Angela Johnson. Pictures by David Soman, a recipient of the Coretta Scott King Award. When I Am Old With You. To my parents, Arthur and Truzetta, and to my grandma, for a lifetime of love and support. When I am old with you, Granddaddy, I will sit in a big rocking chair beside you and talk about everything. An old dog will sit by my feet, and I will swat flies all afternoon. We'll go fishing too, Granddaddy, down by that old pond with the flat rocks all around. We can fish beside the pond or take that old canoe out. We'll eat out of the picnic basket all day, and we won't catch any fish. But that's all right, Granddaddy. When I am old with you, Granddaddy, we will play cards all day underneath that old tree by the road. We'll drink cool water from a jug and wave at all the cars that go by. We'll play cards till the lightning bugs shine in the trees. And we won't mind that we forgot to keep score, Granddaddy. When I am old with you, Granddaddy, we will open up that old cedar chest and try on all the old clothes that your Granddaddy left you. We can look at the old pictures and try to imagine the people in them. It might make us cry, but that's okay. In the mornings, Granddaddy, we will cook bacon for breakfast, and that's all. We can eat it on the porch, too. In the evening, we can roast corn on a big fire and invite everyone we know to come over and eat it. They'll all dance, play cards, and talk about everything. When I am old with you, Granddaddy, we can take a trip to the ocean. Have you ever seen the ocean, Granddaddy? We'll walk on the hot sand and throw rocks at the waves. We can wear big hats in the afternoon like everyone else, and we'll sit in the water when the day gets cool. When our trip is over, we will follow the ocean as far as we can, so we'll never forget it. When I am old with you, Granddaddy, we will get on the tractor and ride through the fields of grass. We will see the trees in the distance and remember when this field was a forest. We won't be sad, though. Granddaddy, when I am old with you, we will take long walks and speak to all the people who walk by us. We'll know them all, Granddaddy, and they'll know us. At the end of our walk, when we're tired, Granddaddy, I will sit in a big rocking chair beside you. The end. This has been When I Am Old With You by Angela Johnson and pictures by David Soman. What's your favorite thing to do with your Granddaddy? See you next time.